Hello, I'm Nandan, fashion designer. Today I want to discuss about the Cbse. They are providing fashion studies, this subject. So which kind of question maybe in the examination time you will face? So today basically I got one comments also. Please today discuss about second chapter. So class 12, second chapter, which kind of question you will face? That is, we know what is fashion and what is costume. So definitely this is very common question, but maybe again you will get this is for ensuing exam. What is fashion? What is costume? You know the costume coming from customs. That is a different story. You know very well. So maybe we'll discuss difference between what is fashion, what is costume, and difference between fashion and costume. And also what is second chapter basically based on pattern cutting. Definitely this question will come that what is pattern cutting? What is pattern cutting? Why need pattern cutting? What is the brief summary on pattern cutting? This kind of question will come. So the main question, what is pattern cutting? Okay, like this one we have in pattern cutting is a big part, measurement. So measurement is big part because if you cannot take the proper measurement, you cannot construct a good pattern cutting. That is the big things. So you need to know how to take proper measurements. So here measurement is big parts. So why not? This kind of question definitely Cbse will provide. How to take measurements? What is the process of measurement? That is definitely, I think you have to read these things properly. Okay, like this one, the same things is like initially when we start pattern cutting, initially we start from block. What is the block? The block is excluding seam allowance and pattern cutting including seam allowance. So initially when we start the pattern cutting, we start from block. So here the things is when we start the block, these things, what is the right way, the correct block for design? Why need for the correct block? What is block? Block and pattern, what is the difference between two? This kind of question you will get it also this. I'm just going try to contact in chapter 2 which kind of question will face. What are the two ways the crotch length? Sometime what is full length, what is crotch length, what is half body length, what is the bust measurement. So that way maybe the same way what is full length, what is half body length, what is crotch length, what is crotch length. Yes, this question definitely you have to continue. And size is a big part. Actually size is different country, different company, they provide different way to sizing. So like British system wise, they are providing 8 size, 10 size, 12 size, 14 size, like this way. But maximum company and internationally, they provide like small size, large size, SL, XL, double XL, this way. So what is the general sizing system? What is the process? So you just write down this question definitely come. What is what is the general sizing system in the internationally? Mind it. What is general sizing system? Yes, this kind of question also you will face also. Now we are using lots of material and use this one for pattern cutting. Like for pattern cutting we need brown paper, we need French curve, we need this. What is this one? Is you have to say that is hip curve. So these things, French curve, what is French curve. So same, you will get the question, what is French curve, why use French curve, what is the use for French curve, what is the use for set square, what is the use for hip curve, what is the use for brown paper. So please, this kind of question, please go through this one. I think you will get in between this question based on pattern cutting. Okay, and also same things, some like in tracing wheel, this is also one of tools that we are using for pattern cutting. So what is the use of tracing wheel? So these things also you have to use. What is the using for the tracing wheel? What is the use of marking chalk? So please, tracing wheel, marking chalk, why you are use, what is the use, you will question these kinds of will face. Okay. Okay, then like initially it starts lots of pattern, like skirt pattern, like top patterns, shirts pattern. But initially we have the one pattern is bodies. The bodies is close fittings. That is, you will get a good shape. We are using the 2 dots. So what is the basic bodies? What is basic bodies block? I will tell you this as basic bodies is basically it's close fittings, and we give for the good fittings, and this from this pattern basic bodies too, you can turn to others patterns, like from basic bodies to you can create long skirt, you can create shorts, everything. So basic bodies is the basic patterns that you can turn to others. So please follow that one. What is basic pattern? What is test fit? Test fit also maybe we'll get the test fit means is initially when we'll create one patterns, basically for couture garments, for we want to work for celebrities. So every patterns should be different one, good pattern, good fittings. So you have to concentrate on that one, good fittings, good pattern. So basically initially we started test fit, that called test fit. Initially up to, it's a test that this garments is perfect for her or not. What is the problem? That is try to search. That is called test fit. So what is test fit? And same way we'll get it neckline. We have V necklines. Basically we have square neckline. We have both neckline. We have sweetheart neckline. Basically in syllabus wise. So please go through this one neckline. What is U neckline, V, this one? You just go through on the neckline parts. We will get the question for V neck, maybe the round neck, maybe square neck. But you have to continue all the neckline. And dart is a big part. Dart is basically need for good fittings, because our shape wise, like our front, basically women have bigger because women in front have bust. For the good fittings, for the shape wise, we are using for darts. So dart, you will get the question, what is dart points, what is dart leg, what is dart manipulation. So please continue this one. What is dart manipulation? Of course, you have to give the explanation. And sizing system. Same question you will get in this one. What is general sizing system? That's one. You will get it this. Okay. So please continue this kind of question. You will get. You definitely will go through this one. I think from my side, I'm trying to provide the best question for chapter 2. Wish you all the best, and please continue with this one.